We're coming out on the back porch to mix up supper tonight. Some of what's for supper. Salmon patties, yes. They will stink your house up really bad when you're mixing them together, so we're gonna mix them out here on the back porch.
I don't like the way how
they smell.
Sardines.
Yes, sardines stink also, yes they do. So we have 2 cans of the double Q, pink salmon, and then 1 can of the Great Value. He's got on some of Titus's shoes, so that's what the loud noise is. Hey, you know what? I think I'm gonna need the other little bowl like this. Can you get me the little bowl? It's in the on the top shelf of the cabinet in there. These cans are not the easiest to open either. Oh my goodness. So we have the salmon, salt and pepper. I'm gonna use minced onion, but you can use fresh onion if you want to. 2 eggs and a little bit of flour. So we're gonna drain this into this bowl over here. I guess he's going back inside. He made a face and went back in. I guess he didn't want to smell it. Okay, let me pour that liquid out too there. It doesn't smell the best, that's true, but salmon patties are really good. And it's really good for you, salmon is, even though it stinks really bad. You can find cans that already have the skin and bones off, but those are not the easiest to find sometimes. Is this one boneless and skinless? No. It's not always easy to find that kind, but you can find it. You can leave the skin if you want to, but we take the skin and bones off. There's going to be a little bit because it's almost impossible to get all of it, but okay. We got 1 can almost done here. I should have opened all the cans and then did this part. I'm going to have to go wash my hands real quick. For some reason, when you mix them outside and then cook them, you can cook them outside too, of course, on a, the Blackstone or whatever, but when you just mix them outside, for some reason it's a lot better. Like, it just does not smell your house up. But if you mix these up in your house, I'm telling you, you have to go through then and like wipe down your walls and everything, or it will be smelling like this for a couple of days if you don't wipe your walls down, or if you don't mix it outside. Mixing them outside is not so bad. We'll smell it this evening, but after I clean up afterwards and all, by morning, we should be pretty good. Now the cans that are the bones already out and skin off, they are more expensive than the cans with it, like a good bit more expensive. If I remember right, almost double of what the cans are with the bones and skin. So I'm gonna have to stand up, making my arms tired. Hey Cece, can you open this can for me? I did it again. I opened 1 can and forgot about the other one. Okay, we're putting in some minced onions. Shake in a little bit of flour. Okay, some pepper. And salt. Now I think I'm going to put just a little bit more flour. I think that's all the flour I'm going to need, so I'm going to crack my egg in here and whisk it a little before I put it in, both eggs, but one at a time because I can't fit both in here. There's one of them. And 2. Alright, I think that's good. Now we'll just shape them into the patties as I put them into the pan. We'll go in here and start warming up a little bit of oil and butter. So I've got the butter and all melting over there in the pans for the salmon patties and the plantains. We're gonna do fried plantains. These taste like fried potatoes, y'all. I'm not even joking. They taste like a fried potato. And I've got the pot getting ready for the green beans too. These are still pretty green, but I think they'll be fine. Okay, this is ready over here for the salmon patties, so I'll go ahead and get some cooking. I also left the back door open to the closed-in porch, so some airflow could happen. I can fit one more up here. Okay, so we got some plantains going back here, green beans in the front. I need to put a little bit of water in there with the beans. And we're gonna put some salt and pepper. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the McCormick steak seasoning over here with the green beans too. The Montreal steak. Just a little.
All right, let's go.
Good.
Did it sink in here though like salmon?
It smelled like salmon, but it was delicious.
Man, I went outside for a little while. When I came back in, I still couldn't smell it. I was still
Yeah.
immune to it, the
Yeah,
smell.
You was immune to it.
We're now fixing to go do our evening walk.
Well, the road runner. Cut the road runner. Catch up.
It's really pretty up here when everything's green. This is the top parking for the trail. Bubble yum.
Bubble yum. There it is, y'all.
Honeysuckles have arrived.